Day-to-day lab routine demands knowledge and skills for various principles and instrumentations. The advancement in the research areas created a need for instruments that can produce accurate and quick results. One such analytical technique routinely used is mass spectrometry. This technique measures the mass accurately by producing charged molecular species in vacuum, followed by its separation in the magnetic and electric fields on the basis of their mass to charge ratio. Mass spectrometry finds its various applications in the field of drug discovery and testing, detection of contamination in food, protein characterization, isotope dating, and also in space explorations. In the vast field of proteomics, mass spectrometry-based analysis is proving to be one of the effective methods of identification, characterization, and quantification of proteins. MS-based proteomics increasingly contributes to our understanding of the dynamics, interactions, and roles that protein and peptides play, advancing our understanding of biology on a system-wide level for a wide range of applications, including investigation of microbial communities, bioremediation, and human health. To shed more light on this, BioTecNika, in collaboration with Peak Instruments Inc, a leading manufacturer of analytical instruments, brings you a new certification course on mass spectrometry-based proteomics analysis. In this self-learning program, our experts will be discussing various concepts like proteomics, principles of mass spectrometry, quantitative proteomics, analysis of post-translational modifications by MS, proteomics data analysis, challenges in proteomics, etc. This course is curated for students in graduation or post-graduation studies who aspire to work on cutting-edge research technologies, aspiring scientists who look forward to innovating novel methods, or science enthusiasts in general. Yet another exciting news from BioTecNika is that all these certification courses will be available for you for a lifetime. Log in anytime and from anywhere without any time constraint. So why wait any longer? Enroll with BioTecNika and get certified.